Here to go, line number 302. Line number 302, guys, I'm not going to mess around. 75, here we go. I got proxy bids, 55, 60, now 5, down 70,000. Down 70,000, not 65, down 70,000. On 65, down 70,000, not Sunday. It's 65 Sunday. I'm going to bid 70,000, not 65, 70, down 500, 80,000. Down 5, down 85, down 85, down 85, down 85. Here, down 80 bid, down 85. Now, Donnie, no, I got the gentleman right behind it. 80,000, give me 85, 85, and now 85. Okay, your other man's out though. Now bid 5, and now bid 5, down 85, 85, 85. You want 82.5, sir? $82,500. I'm 82.5. Yes, sir. On 82,500. 80. Is he shaking his head? Yes, 82.5. I'm 82,500. I'm due to 80 down to 500. 81. Last call. Gonna go. I'm 80,000. I'm due to 100. 80,000. I'm due to 81. So $80,000 buyer number 212. The buyer 212. All right, going to line number 303.